Alright girl, so we here with Unice hair or whatever. I'm quickly unboxing her, just showing you guys what all came in the box. And we're going to get right into the details. I'm super excited, okay? So today I do have their 3-dimensional body wave wig. She's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. She's 26 inches and she's 150% in density. As you guys can see, she does come with the part. She comes pre-plucked, and also they give us a guideline for baby hairs. So this is what she's giving us when I slap her on my head. Like I said, this is unaltered. This unit was not washed, conditioned in the making of this video at all, okay? So this is what she's giving. Alright girls, so first I'm going to go ahead and remove this lace in the back of my wig, because sometimes when I be doing certain things, you can see that hanging, and that ain't cute. I'm also getting rid of the combs on the side. They're super easy to detach. I just don't like them personally, but I do leave the one in the back. My favorite thing I've been raving about is this cream foundation, y'all. This foundation has changed my wig game on so many levels. I did use the darker shade because I noticed when you use a shade darker, it blends in flawlessly, okay, into your skin. So if you don't feel like bleaching or tinting your lace, please try out this, please, okay? After I do put the cream foundation, I do set it with my Got To Be Glue setting spray. I mean, not setting spray, y'all, Got To Be Glue spray. This ain't no makeup tutorial. Alright guys, before I lay down my unit, I want to prep it on my mannequin head first. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb and push everything back into the hairline. I want it to lay super flat so I can see where I want it to be more, you know, plucked or less dense at. Now, like I said, it comes pre-plucked, so this step is optional. You do not have to do this at all. It doesn't actually need it, but I'm a little bit extra and I'm just trying to, you know, go all out. So I'm just going to go in a little bit more and, you know, thin it out in the areas that I want it to be less dense. And then every now and then I'm just going to follow up with my Y2 comb to make sure that I'm ridding all the hair that I am plucking out. Next, I'm going in with my Erika J Wax Stick. I love this stuff, and I OD on it, okay? So I put a lot of wax on my hair, y'all. I do this step after I finish plucking because, you know, it just gives the hair that I just got out of the salon chair type of look. Also, this makes your hair lay super duper flat towards the top, and that's what I'm here for. Next, I'm going in just to refresh the front curls. I don't touch the curls all the way around the unit. It's just the front ones that I had to, you know, comb out a little bit because I was detangling in that section. Okay, y'all, so this is what our lace is giving us now. Do y'all not see how well this blended? Hold on, wait. Let me take y'all back. Let me just refresh your memory real quick. Where is it at? Wait, y'all really gotta see this. I'm trying to find that little place. Where is it at? Hold on, is it right here? No, it's not right there. Okay, it's right here. All right, so this is what it looked like, y'all. Remember this. Keep this in your mind, okay? All right, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cut off this lace, okay? I just couldn't believe how this was just melting into my forehead. Like, you guys see that? And do. But anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to cut the lace off. And as I'm pressing it against my skin, I'm just literally like in my head, like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, what lace? All right, guys, so this is what she's giving after I cut off the entire lace, and it's just looking amazing. I'm going in with my Wonderlace bonding spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and start in the center. With this lace, being that it is a frontal, I like to work from in the middle and left to right or right to left, but we're going to start in the middle. I do like 1 to 2 layers, and I wait till it's tacky. Now this stuff, you do have to be careful because sometimes I spray it on the outside of the lace and it can dry up quickly and get like white flakes. And I've noticed that. I did it in this install. But like I said, as long as you take your time and don't spray it on top of the lace. I don't know how people be spraying the spray on the top of the lace, because like, don't that get crunchy? In my experience, it's got hard and crunchy, and it's hard for me like to mold my baby hairs. But anyway, yeah, once I do that, I do like to go back in and pull it up to see what areas I missed, and then we're just gonna add more spray just so the section can lay super duper flat. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And now y'all know, if y'all are OGs, y'all know I used to always have that white ashy line no matter what I did. That used to always show up. And now it's just blended in like, what in the world? Is just melting like butter. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out some baby hairs. I wanted my baby hairs to be a little different, not too much uniformed and hard and stiff. So yeah, and not perfectly done, if that makes sense. So I just parted it pretty much with my hands, and I'm just taking my little razor comb and just, you know, instead of cutting at an angle, I just let the razor comb free fall. And I'm just using some, I forgot what it's called. I'm using foam wrap lotion, but it's for like your baby hairs. Y'all, I don't know the name of stuff, but check the description section. I'll have everything there. All right, y'all, look at them baby hairs. Y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Nobody can come for me. Nobody can say anything. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more wax. Like I said, I'm obsessed with the wax and just how it just makes the hair look. Y'all can't tell me this unit is not giving scalp vibes. It just looks like I got grease on my hair. Y'all know how when you part your hair and you put some grease on it, it's giving like fresh scalp that's been a freshly scalp that's been greased. But I did go in with that cream foundation, that lighter shade that I had in the beginning, and put it in the part just to, you know, define it a little more. Y'all already know how I love for my part to pop. Ain't nobody got time for no dual parting. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it with this unit, y'all. This unit turned out super bomb. I loved everything. Okay, now I did have a little bit of shedding. Of course, that was from me plucking. I had a little bit of tangles here and there when I firstly detangled, which is right here in this clip that you're watching. But other than that, y'all, I enjoyed working with this 3-dimensional body wave wig. I love that this unit came already styled, so less work for me. I love the longevity of the curls that was in this unit because I wore this all day and I didn't have any problems with it, the curls completely dropping. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment if you like, and all the information regarding this hair will be listed down in the description section below. So yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.
I know